Good morning. Thanks you for coming to this presentation. It is an honor to meet friends here. Okay, let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Ilyas and my team is Apri, Sinta, Shiva, Ezra, Rizik, Alia, Citra, and Salsabila. We are from group 3. Okay, my friends. In this presentation, we will discuss legal system in the many country. Legal system vary from country to country and sometimes within a single country. Although they develop in different ways, legal system also have some similarities based on historical accepted justice ideas. In this video, I will introduce 3 major legal systems in the world, namely common law, civil law, and theoretic law.
Common law was originally developed by judges through case-by-case court decision, rather than through legislation enacted by a legislature. In this system, much of the law is made by judge decision, called precedent. This means that if a similar case has been resolved by court in the past, a court is bound to follow the reasoning based in the prior decisions. While judges are very important in common law system, legislatures still have a part.
Common law system also rely on statutes that are passed by the legislature or parliament, and judges have the role of interpreting how to legislature law are applied in individual case. In common law system, legal protections are mostly adversarial rather than executorial. This means that for the most part, two opposing parties appear before a judge who moderators' defendants are intelligent to be present and to be represented by a lawyer.
The attorneys on both sides have an active role in representing their clients throughout the case, in presenting evidences and argument in court. A jury of people without legal training can decide the fact of the case, and if conviction, the judge determines the appropriate sentence based on the jury's verdict. Common law is practiced in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and many other countries.
The second major legal system in the world is the civil law system. Civil law system places greater emphasis on legal codes devised by the legislator. Civil law statutes tend to be more detailed than statutes under common law system and contain continuously updated legal codes.
Civil law system really less on judge and more on academic legal expert to make legal interpretation. In a civil law system, the judge's role is to establish the fact of the case and to analyze the apply the legislature written law. Because of that, this legislature and scholars who draft and interpret the codes. They are important in civil law legal system. The role of judge is different in civil law system compared to common law system. There are 2 types of judge in a civil law system.
An investigating judge and trial sitting judge. Civil law systems are based on the belief that justice is best served when a judge is an active participant in investigating the fact of the case. Thus, the investigating judge will typically lead the investigation. Unlike common law system, which focus on the trial to determine the facts, civil law legal system mostly focus on pre-trial investigation and hearing to establish the fact. The actual trials can be relatively brief and informal because the trial judge will review the case file developed by an investigating judge.
During trial, witnesses are generally allowed to give additional kind of evidence, and the defendant often gives a statement. Cross-examination is rare. Please keep in mind the civil law system is the most popular legal system in the world. Countries practicing civil law system include China, Japan, and most countries in Europe and South America.
Besides common law and civil law, there are some countries in the world practicing theocratic law. A theocratic law system is one in which the law is based on religious teaching. A thought usage of both Hindu and Jewish law persisted into the 20th century in Islamic law in the most widely practiced theocratic legal system in the modern world. Islamic law is primarily a moral rather than a commercial law and is intended to govern all aspects of life.
The foundation for Islamic law is the Holy Book of Islam, the Quran, along with the Sunnah or decision and saying of the Prophet Muhammad, and the writing of Islamic scholars who have derived rules by analogy from the principle established in the Quran and the Sunnah. Because the Quran and the Sunnah are whole document on the foundation of Islamic law cannot be changed, however. In practice, Islam jurists and scholars are constantly debating the application of Islamic law to the modern world. In reality, many Muslim countries have a legal system that are a blend of Islamic law and a common or civil law system. Countries that practice theocratic law in the full or part include Saudi Arabia, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Iran, Iraq, Egypt, and some other countries.
Thanks you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all us.